Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that the US economy has started spluttering. Overnight, we had American retail sales results, and they weren't good. They fell 0.5% in June, the first time they've fallen for 3 consecutive months since 2008. And another report found rising business inventories. This was worse than expected and will raise fears that the US economy is failing to grow and will fuel expectations of another round of quantitative easing by the Fed. The IMF has downgraded its world economic outlook and called on policymakers for stronger action to combat risks to the weak economy. Its downgrade wasn't major, but it warned that the outlook could dim further if policymakers in Europe do not effectively address their debt crisis, and cited rising concern about the fiscal cliff battle in Washington. In Spain, their 10-year government bonds reached an entirely unsustainable yield of 6.81%. In contrast, bond yields in the US are at record lows. China's Premier Wen Jiabao warned that his nation's recovery is yet to build any momentum, and this warning is fueling speculation that extra economic support measures may be announced after a cabinet meeting this week. Oil is up to $88 a barrel, the Dow is unchanged in late trade, and the New Zealand dollar starts the day at 79.8 US cents, essentially unchanged since yesterday, 78 Aussie cents, and the TWI is unchanged at 72.4. Later this morning, New Zealand's second quarter inflation data will be released. We're not expecting any surprises with those. Bernard Hickey is in Wellington today and we'll be back tomorrow. I'm David Chaston, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.